Hey guys, Steve and Alex here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana.
And we're hanging out with Mike Hoffman from FN America. What we have today?
We have the new FN 509 Tactical.
And we're going to do a full review on this thing, take it out, shoot it, put a couple rounds through it. Mike, thank you so much for stopping by today and bringing us a brand new product. Now, what kind of niche does this fill in today's market?
So the new FN 509 Tactical has a couple unique features. The first one is the optics mounting system. So it's a unique mounting system for a red dot style optic. Has a cold hammer forged threaded barrel, has ambidextrous controls, and it comes with two 24-round magazines, yes, 24 rounds, and one 17-round magazine.
That's pretty impressive.
You know, they put a lot of thought into the package. One of the things that they did, I like the fact that when you open the box, you have a nice soft case that not only holds the gun, but the extra mags. They also sent the firearm with a second recoil spring. And what that does, basically the recoil spring that comes in, it will fire anything you need to fire, but there's some folks that need to fire frangible ammunition, and sometimes those, a lot of guns don't like to fire frangibles because there's such low velocity, low recoil. And the round is so light itself, and so it needs a little bit of a lighter spring in there to allow that thing to function properly. They included that with the package.
Now the 509 Tactical currently only comes in FDE, is that correct?
Correct.
And then there's a couple features on this that you guys have changed from the regular 509 to the Tactical, like the magazine release. Tell me a little bit about that.
So we listened to our customers and we answered. The new magazine release is a little bit larger and it sticks out a little bit further, so you can manipulate it a little bit easier in reload situations.
You know, I'm looking forward to getting on range, shooting some rounds down range, and seeing how it shoots and how it performs.
I'm really excited about checking out these magazines. I mean, they're 24-round magazines. Let's fill them up and run them.
All right, so as you could see, accuracy-wise, when I shot it for accuracy and I took my time, I thought it performed phenomenally. In fact, it held a really tight group, especially for what is considered to be more of a defensive or combat handgun. When I shot it for speed, I happened to shoot it low and, quite frankly, left. I would say there's two contributing factors. I don't think it has anything to do with the gun. That's me as an individual. Not having fired the firearm, and it doesn't really mirror what I typically carry on a daily basis, so I see that a lot out of myself when I'm shooting a little faster on something new. The other thing that I would say is that because of the angle that the grip is at for me, I happened to kind of pull down on it, or maybe I was anticipating even, so we'll have to see what's going on there, but I'm going to work on that for myself and see if I can get some to group there inside the square. All right, so after firing just a few more rounds through it, honestly, even on rapid fire, I think this gun is an excellent, excellent gun. I know this is one of the few guns that I've carried, as many of you know, I've carried the same gun for probably close to 20 years now. Not that I'm old. And this is one of the guns, not the tactical, but the standard 509 is one of the guns that I've looked at maybe switching to here in the near future. looking for something that does fit my hand a little bit better. I will, as a shooter, have to overcome a few obstacles just because I've shot something at the same grip angle for so long that it is going to take a little bit of a learning curve for me and a little bit of muscle memory, relearning to get my shots back on target. So in just a matter of a few rounds, it naturally shot really, really well, and I think that it's going to be a winner on the market.
All right, Mike, I know the 509 Tactical is going to be in the same category as the 19X. But on the surface, we kind of notice it's the same shape, size, color, all that good stuff. But what is the major difference that sets the 509 Tactical apart from the 19X?
Yeah, so first off, you get two 24-round magazines and one 17-round magazine.
Right, comes with the gun.
Comes with the gun, right? Exactly. You get a nice carrying case. The gun itself comes with a threaded barrel. Comes with a new optics mounting system, so you can mount all your fun red dot style sights, and it has ambidextrous controls.
You know, Alex, I was glad to see that here we took the gun out of the box, never fired, we didn't oil it, we didn't clean it, we shot a few hundred rounds downrange with it and had no malfunctions. Of course, we've come to expect that out of FN.
Absolutely, and that's correct. I mean, you had no rounds to this firearm before we even started.
Correct.
We haven't oiled it, so.
Correct.
So naturally, happy to see that it performed the way it did. You know, I think there's a demand for this type of gun on the market. It fits a special niche,
right,
and it's neat that it does come with a few of those features out of the box.
A lot of guys are really liking red dots right now. I mean, it's really popular at the moment. I mean, but they're also going to give you night sights, threaded barrel, all the goodies that come with it.
Absolutely. I look forward to seeing it out in the marketplace and seeing how it performs.
I think it's going to go really well.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you'd like to see the 90-second review on this particular firearm, don't hesitate to click the link down below and you'll be able to catch some of the more specific specifications on this firearm.
Absolutely. And guys, don't ever hesitate. If there's another gun you guys want us to review or check out, always leave it in the comments below. And also, if you have questions for FN, these guys will reach out to us and answer any of those questions.
We want to thank FN specifically for getting this firearm to us before it actually released so that we were able to get a review to you guys on the day that it launches. Thank you to you guys for doing that with us. As always, thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks,
Take care.
guys. Hi everybody, this is Alex. Welcome to the TV show.
We're not on TV, Alex.
Welcome to YouTube.
That's better.
And we're going to take this thing out, shoot it a little bit, and give you a full review today. Isn't that right, Steve?
Yep.
And today we're going to check out the 509 Tactical.
On to you. Brand new, just released. Right.
All right.
Alex, what do we have and who? Hey guys, Steve and Alex here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute. Oops. Hey guys.
Mike Hoffman.
Hey guys, Mike Hoffman.
We are looking at the 509 Tactical that they just released today, and with the greatest shooter I've ever seen in my life, Mike Hoffman.
Hey guys, Steve and Alex here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Alex, who do we have here? What the dude?
It's that 5-hour energy you had.
Hey guys, Steve and Alex here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana.
And today we are hanging out with you. You don't have to talk! Just do the intro. Go! Come on.
Hey guys, Ow. Chill out. Lord.